तुम्हारे पास इतना कुछ बोलने को कैसे है कि तुम हर दिन पोस्ट कर रहे हो। लिंक्डइन इज ऑल अबाउट रिस्पेक्ट। इंस्टाग्राम जैसा नहीं है, यहाँ गाली गलोच नहीं करना होता है। बिकॉज ChatGPT डज नॉट राइट गुड पोस्ट्स। Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Anya and I know I'm late. I know that. But that's just because I had so many assignments and presentations in the last week कि मेरा दिमाग पूरा खराब हो गया था and I had zero motivation to film. But we're back and this is another LinkedIn starter pack beginner guide kind of video. And at the end of the video, I'll also give you guys about 60 writing templates that you can use for your first few posts. So yeah, let's just get started. Now, the first thing you will do is obviously make a LinkedIn profile and fill every single section in the profile, right? So I'll attach a video here of my profile. You have to fill your headlines, make it look catchy. Don't clickbait, please. That's only allowed on YouTube. Don't clickbait on LinkedIn. But write a good headline, write a good about section, because that is essentially the first thing that people see when they come to your profile. फिर नीचे जाके fill in your educational details, fill in any extracurriculars that you have and all of that stuff, okay? And then you can start the exciting part, which is actually writing on LinkedIn. So सबसे पहले let's clear out why would you write on LinkedIn? The most simple answer is to build your personal brand. A personal brand होता क्या है? It's simply how people see and remember you. So instead of letting others guess who you are intentionally building a reputation for yourself online, and you're showing everyone what you stand for, what you're good at, and what makes you different from other people. But if you want to build a personal brand on Instagram, it will be via Reels. If you want to build it on YouTube, it will be via YouTube videos. And if you want to build it on LinkedIn, it is mostly via writing. Now, I'm not saying that you have to be excellent at writing, but you have to be quite decent, okay? मतलब हाँ, तुम ChatGPT से अपनी पोस्ट लिखवा सकते हो, but I look down upon that, and a lot of the other people look down upon that. Not because of some god complex, but simply because ChatGPT does not write good posts. And you can quote me on this anywhere that you want. तो अब तुम्हारे सामने एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, which is to know how to write. और इसको हम एक सबसे बेसिक चीज से सॉल्व करेंगे, which is reading. The more you read, the better you will write. So if you have not picked a single book in your life, this is the right time probably to start reading. And you can most definitely start with fictional books. But if you have read a couple books and you have an interest in reading, or you don't like fictional books, then I would love to suggest some non-fictional books that can help you a lot when it comes to learning how to write. I'll also put them down in the description, but some of my favorites are Everybody Writes by Anne Hadley. Then there's Bird by Anne Lamott, I think. And it basically teaches you how to not be a perfectionist and just write. So yeah, start with these books, start with reading newspapers, start with reading articles online, anything that you want to do, but please read. The more you read, the better you will write. So once you know how to write decently well, you can start posting on LinkedIn. अब देखो, either you can post on LinkedIn whatever the fuck way you want and not care कि तुम्हारी profile कैसी दिख रही है, or you can have a strategy in place so that you are intentionally building your personal brand. And that strategy is super simple. You have to focus on three things. Number one, your niche. Niche simply means कि तुम्हारा क्या डोमेन है, तुम किस डोमेन में लिखना चाह रहे हो. So I usually write about personal stories, I write about marketing, and I write about copywriting. So that's sort of my niche. Your niche could be AI, your niche could be tech, your niche could be business related, your niche could be finance. Anything that you know कि तुम्हारे पास इस चीज की knowledge है, तुम ये knowledge दे सकते हो लोगों को, and you're confident about that, so that essentially becomes your niche. Now I'm not saying कि पहले ही तुम्हें कुछ post में you have to figure out कि oh, I want to write on that and I have to stick to that. ऐसा मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ, ठीक है? Experiment with different topics, see what sticks, but एक होता है ना कि अपने टॉपिक्स को एक अम्ब्रेला के नीचे ही रखो. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि तुम्हारा पूरा पेज फाइनेंस के ऊपर है एंड देन सडनली यू आर राइटिंग अबाउट टेक की कोई चीज, और यू आर राइटिंग अबाउट स्पोर्ट्स की कोई चीज. and you can very well not have a niche for your account. That's also acceptable, but I have personally seen कि उससे growth थोड़ी कम होती है, because the second most important thing you need to do is to figure out who your target audience is. Now, you're not writing for all the billions of users that are there on LinkedIn. You're writing for the very few people that connect to you, that want to learn from you, and that relate to your niche. So इसीलिए I personally feel like having 2 to 3 topics down कि okay, this is what my profile would be about, is a good way to grow fast, because you are able to find your target audience very easily. And to find your target audience, you simply have to define your industry, your interest, and the kind of post that you'll be posting about. Supposedly, if I'm writing about marketing, my target audience is marketing managers, my target audience is people who are interested in knowing about marketing, or brand managers, right? Now, the third thing you need to do is to define the frequency of your posts. Now, as much as I hate to say this, बट एट द एंड किसी भी सोशल मीडिया पे तुम जाओगे, तुम एल्गोरिदम के गुलाम हो. यू हैव टू फिगर आउट what the algorithm likes, and you have to adjust your content strategy accordingly so that तुम्हारी चीजें एटलीस्ट ऑडियंस तक पहुंचे, राइट? सो फॉर लिंक्डइन आई हैव सीन 3 to 4 times a week की पोस्टिंग वर्क्स द बेस्ट. इससे ज्यादा तुम करोगे तो ऑनेस्टली एज a consumer of your content, I would get annoyed कि why the fuck are you spamming my feed every single day? तुम्हारे पास इतना कुछ बोलने को कैसे है कि तुम हर दिन पोस्ट कर रहे हो? So try not posting every single day. 3 to 4 times is a good amount. और try करो कि तुम एक ही टाइम पे पोस्ट करो. Like right now my audience knows कि मैं 9 to 10 AM के बीच में पोस्ट करती हूँ, and that's because I know कि they are the most active during that time. So figure out a time that works the best for you, and only try to post 3 to 4 times a week. अब चलो तुमने फिगर आउट कर लिया कि मुझे 3 बार पोस्ट करना है, तुम पोस्ट करोगे क्या? नाउ आई डिवाइड दीज 3 days into 3 different categories. On the first day, I post personal stories. And what usually helps is कि तुम अपनी कोई एक personal anecdote लो and you tie it to a result or a solution of sorts. And personal stories are the easiest way to grow on LinkedIn. People connect with personal stories, and at the end, तभी हम इसको personal brand बोलते हैं, right? Because they get to know a lot more about you through personal stories than anything else. Now, the second type of post is a social proof post. When I wanted to get clients through LinkedIn, I was just posting ki, hey, this is how मेरी एक post performed. So it got like 1 million views. So that would essentially be a social proof. And then I would write a few things ki, oh, I tried these 4 things, जिससे मुझको ये results मिले, and then I can do the same for you. So then putting a CTA at the end, a call to action key. If you also want the same kind of growth on LinkedIn, then hit me up. And that's how I got most of my inbound leads. Now, third are thought leadership posts. This is basically just where you show people how knowledgeable you are. So if your niche is finance, then your thought leadership post would look like talking about financial markets, talking about taxation, talking about the budgeting and all that. You share unique insights, you share different developments in your industries, and you give your thoughts on them. So this essentially puts you in a position of authority where people trust you. They sort of start seeing you as a mentor, and hence having that kind of influence is really good for your personal brand. और ये चीज पता है, एज अ स्टूडेंट दिस इज वेरी गुड. सो व्हेन आई वाज राइटिंग अ लॉट अबाउट मार्केटिंग एंड ऑल, एंड आई वाज साइड बाय साइड अप्लाइंग टू marketing internships, I could show them ki, hey, listen, I have written all of this on marketing, I have written about all these case studies. So of course that shows the employer ki theek hai, I have the knowledge, and number 2, I am going the extra mile of putting that knowledge out there and helping people out with that. So yeah, once you start posting like this, once you start covering all 3 of these topics, your profile would grow and also get like the right kind of audience. And again, if you don't know right now कि मैं किस चीज के बारे में अपने thoughts present करूं, या oh, I don't have any social proof right now because I just have like 5 followers on LinkedIn, that's fine. Start with personal stories, start with writing about your opinions, your thoughts, your belief. Start observing things and then writing about them. And you know, if you ever feel like you're running out of content, like obviously अगर तुम इतना ज़्यादा महीने की तुम 12 पोस्ट लिख रहे हो, you are bound to run out of ideas. तो उसके लिए I signed up to a lot of email lists. So I was subscribed to, I think, Marketing Monk. That's a website, I think, or every day they used to send me like new marketing case studies and whatnot. So I was reading a lot about it. And इसीलिए, even though on days when I was like, I don't have anything substantial to write, I could just go back to that email list and figure out ki, hey, this is an interesting topic, this is what my audience would love to know about, and I would write on that, and it would work great for me. And this way I have like mostly never run out of content. Another important thing to make your content stand out and to make sure that people actually click on your content is कि तुम्हारा hook बहुत strong होना चाहिए. Now hook is like the first few lines, first 1 to 2 lines of your content. अब hooks के भी बहुत types होते हैं. I will again put like a link down in the description जिसमें you can read all about different types of hooks. And honestly, a good hook can be a game changer for your post. It works the same way on every social media site. तुम YouTube भी देख लो, you have to make sure your title is good. तुम Insta देख लो, you have to make sure कि first 3 to 5 seconds of your reel is good, because then only people want to watch ना आगे. So make sure your hook is really good, and experiment with different types of hooks to see ki what your audience is the most responsive towards. Now the last thing and the most important thing is, please engage with people. Now LinkedIn's algorithm rewards you if you engage with other people's profile. So for example, if I see ki meri feed pe this person is posting about my industry or my topics, then I would leave a comment on their profile. And most of the times hota hai, then they, return the favor. They also comment on your post. That also happens. बट हाँ, तुम इस मोटिव से मत इंगेज करो कि ये भी वापस इंगेज करेंगे. जस्ट इंगेज बिकॉज तुम ये सोचो कि अगर कोई पोस्ट है अबाउट अगेन सम फाइनेंशियल टॉपिक and it's getting a lot of views and it's getting a lot of comments, so technically तुम्हारी target audience उस post पे है अभी, and you want to direct them to your profile, so simply engage on that post, add something meaningful, or if you feel like they're saying something wrong, correct it respectfully, please. LinkedIn is all about respect. Instagram जैसा नहीं है, यहाँ गाली गलोच नहीं करना होता है. Be respectful, respectfully disagree. So engagement I've seen is another game changer when it comes to getting the right audience on your profile. I've seen that post करने के बाद ही for the next 10 to 15 minutes, if I'm engaging on other people's profiles, मेरी post पे जो comments आ रहे हैं, if I'm replying to all of that, then automatically my post sort of gets like boosted up and it performs exceptionally well. Even on the days that you're not posting, so if you've decided कि I'll post Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so on the days that you are not posting, तुम दूसरों की profile पे engage कर रहे हो, you are at least active on the app. So yeah, I feel like all this would be a great starting point for you guys. Keep this in mind. Start writing on LinkedIn for the first 2 to 3 months. I think this should work well for you. And now if you want to make your LinkedIn into like a ghostwriting business, I can obviously post a separate video on that, telling you all about ghostwriting, how to get clients, what to charge and all of that. So let me know if you want to see that. And if you have any more questions or anything, just put them down in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them. अब next week की video नहीं आएगी शायद because I'm going on a vacation, and उसके बाद I might post a vlog from my vacation. And if you guys can guess where I'm going on vacation, your hint is I don't like mountains. So yeah, guess where I'm going, and I'll post a vlog of that. And then if you guys want more LinkedIn videos, I'll post that, of course. But yeah, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I am so grateful for you. And I'll see you super soon. Bye.